Could a black hole someday devour us all? With millions lurking out there, it's a wild possibility. And if we somehow created one by accident? Well, things would go downhill fast. What would we even experience if Earth were pulled in? Could our planet orbit both the sun and a black hole? And could we survive the dreaded spaghettification? This is what if. And here's what might happen if Earth got sucked into a black hole. There's a stellar black hole visible to the naked eye just 3,000 light years away. Luckily, we're safely distant from that one and many others. Roughly 100 million black holes are scattered across our galaxy, remnants of stars 10 to 20 times the size of our sun that collapsed. These stellar black holes span about 16 kilometers. Then there are the giants, supermassive black holes, as wide as our solar system and packed with the mass of over 1 million suns. One such behemoth, Sagittarius A, sits at our galaxy's center. So how close would a black hole need to be to endanger us? Technically, a black hole as small as a millimeter could destroy Earth if it came close enough. Its density and gravitational pull are that intense. Whether we'd survive would hinge on the event horizon, the point of no return. Past this line, escape would require speeds faster than light itself. If Earth got too near, it'd start stretching toward the black hole. First, our atmosphere would be siphoned off. Then pieces of Earth would follow, one chunk at a time. If we somehow ended up orbiting the black hole, we'd face tidal heating. Gravitational forces would continuously stretch and compress Earth, heating its core to catastrophic levels. Earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and tsunamis would unleash havoc. Eventually, spaghettification would take over, not the pasta kind. If you decided to confront the black hole heroically, you'd stretch out, with your limbs pulled closer than your feet. For an average-sized black hole, this gruesome stretching could happen hundreds of kilometers from the event horizon. But with a supermassive black hole, it might occur within the event horizon itself. Eventually, anything crossing a black hole's boundary, whether planets, people, or stars, would break down into individual atoms. If our solar system got too close, its delicate balance would collapse, planets could collide, and the asteroid belt could rain down upon us. Of the 552,894 known asteroids, over 200 are more than 100 kilometers wide. One of those hitting us would be game over long before we'd become spaghetti. The debris of our entire solar system would form an accretion disk around the black hole, generating massive radiation as it got pulled in. Even if we dodged the asteroids, the radiation alone could end us. Though some planets orbit to stars, it's unlikely we could orbit both the sun and a black hole. The forces would likely throw us off course or destroy Earth altogether. There's no win in this scenario. But just maybe, in a super strong space shuttle, we could survive past the event horizon. On the other side, physics as we know it might break down. Gravity, light, even atomic structure could behave entirely differently. Would we enter another dimension? A parallel universe? Or maybe, we're already inside a black hole. We can't be sure. Anything crossing a black hole's edge remains a mystery. That, however, is a tale for another What If.